Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to make a really exciting flash powder using ammonium perchlorate and powdered titanium. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is a blast shield, a ring stand. This is an extendable deflagration wand. I'm using ammonium perchlorate, this is the oxidizer, and I'm using powdered titanium, this is the fuel. Start by measuring out 1 gram of titanium powder. This is what your titanium powder looks like. Next, measure out 1 gram of ammonium perchlorate, and this is what your ammonium perchlorate looks like. Okay, now I'm ready to mix these back and forth. Don't use a mortar pestle. You don't want to grind this because of sensitive shock. This is called the diaper method. We just pour them back and forth gently until you have a nice, even, homogeneous mixture of the two. When you can't tell the difference between the titanium powder and the ammonium perchlorate, then you're ready to deflagrate your mixture. And we're almost there. It should kind of look like salt and pepper. And I think we're ready. And now we're going to put our mixture on our ring stand in our blast shield and deflagrate our flash powder. Okay, here's the balanced equation for this amazing combustion reaction. We start out with the reactants titanium and ammonium perchlorate. We have 2 moles of titanium, that's the 2Ti, plus 2 moles of ammonium perchlorate, that's the 2NH4ClO4. And when those are heated, they create the products titanium dioxide, nitrogen, water vapor, and chlorine. We have 2 moles of titanium dioxide, that's the 2TiO2. We have the diatomic molecule of nitrogen gas, that's the N2. We have 8 moles of water vapor, that's the 8H2O, and 2 moles of chlorine, that's the 2Cl2, in this amazing combustion reaction. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.